In this video, I will explain how you can merge two columns in Google Sheets. Now, there are two things here when we talk about merging. So, when you merge it, you can merge it this way. So, this one is one type of merging where P and Q columns have been merged. There is another type of merging like this one where we are merging column L and M's data into column N's cells. So, you can see that A and B is in column L and M respectively, and that has gone to column N. Okay. Let us say you want to merge this column S and T. So press the shift key and then select this column S and T. Once these columns are selected, you can go here and then click on merge cells. And you can see that this column S and T have been merged. Now let us talk about this type of merging where we are merging the data from these columns into another column. So for that, what you have to do is that you have to use one function which is like this one is equal to L1 and M1. So you can see that the data has been merged into column O, and you can just drag like that, and all this data will be merged. For example, if I put here P and Q, you can see that it has been merged as well. Or say XYZ and PQR, and you can see it is merged into column O. That's it. Thanks for watching.